Hey guys, Simnator here today, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the GeForce GTX 1050. As I know, the RTX 2000 series has come out, and this is kind of a late review, probably around 3 to 4 years late of the date that they these cards released in 2016, but specifically for me, this is a major upgrade. Considering that I've had a 9500 GT for like the past 2 years, and that card's from like 2008, so this is like an 8-year upgrade. So it's a pretty big upgrade for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. You've probably seen these on YouTube a lot of times and things like that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick one. Just to tell you guys, this is the low profile card. It's a gigabyte version, overclock edition, not a TI, just a 2 gigabyte. Pretty much, yeah, basically that. But I got the low profile edition of it because it was cheap, a lot cheaper, and it takes up a lot less space, and it doesn't have to have the power connector on the side, which is nice. But as you can see, it comes in this bag once you open up the box, and the card's in here. Take out the card. This is what the card looks like. Basically, you got one fan and a nice kind of black plastic interface on it, and then you have your PCIe interface with the plastic cover on it. You take that off and put it in your PC. And then this card, another reason why I also got it, simply because the other variants of the Gigabyte cards, they only had these 3 ports, a DVI, an HDMI, and a DisplayPort. I wanted another port so I could have 4 monitors if I wanted to in the future, since I only have 3 now, but I wanted an extra port just in case I needed one, so I got a DVI, 2 HDMI, and a DisplayPort. So that comes with that, and as you can see, basically just same things for other cards and things like that. But that's that. Let's put this out of the way. You have this piece of box thing to hold it. Once that comes out, you get a low profile bracket. As I stated before, this is a low profile card, so you can put it in a low profile PC, which is nice. You get the quick start guide in like 50 different languages, and it's pretty much useless unless you read 50 different languages and you're bored. And then you get the Gigabyte CD with the graphics, Aurora graphics card, driver, and utility. Yeah, basically all that. And that's about it. But there are a few things on the box. In addition, this is an overclockable edition, which is nice. So if I want to do some overclocking, if I really needed to, it would be fine. But I basically got this edition, this type of card, because I'm mainly doing video editing and not really like major gaming and stuff like that. So I thought a lot better upgrade, a lot better card than what I already have, and video editing doesn't require a whole lot of graphics power, so I thought this card would be pretty good. But as you can see, GeForce GTX 1050 overclock, low profile, 2 gigabyte, and then you have the 4 ports, and then it says minimum requirement of 300 watt power supply based on i7 3.2 gigahertz CPU, and then the only thing in English really, powered by Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050, 2 gigabytes of GDDR5, full Microsoft DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.5 support. Yeah, the memory, I'm running DDR2 memory in my 9500 GT, and this is GDDR5. A big upgrade. But basically, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Not much to show. Of course, you know, just basic thing. I just wanted to do it on my channel because I'm kind of upgrading my PC, and for the tech people on my channel, I kind of wanted to do an unboxing. But I'm in the process of upgrading my PC, like I said, so I'm going to do some more tech unboxing reviews and benchmarks. But definitely be sure to subscribe and like and comment and all that. Definitely helps a lot. I am going to be doing a review and benchmarks of this card, so if you want to see that this card versus my 9500 GT, definitely subscribe and like for that video, and definitely follow my Twitter at the 7aterYT. I do have a Discord, the 7ater's public Discord. If you want to go chat with me there, interact, I definitely have that, even though it's half dead. That is an option. And then basically just thanks for watching. Basically everything that every YouTuber says at the end of their video. Just state that there. But other than that, I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye!